So, from what I can tell, well, there you go. Today we're going to attempt to disassemble an Inspiron 24 model 3455 series. That's a mouthful. By Dell Computer Corporation. Dell. I've hidden the customer's private information. Get your spudger and pry this back plate off. See that? Just slides back after you pull it up from the clips. Underneath here, you'll see some pretty big screws. You need to get this plate off because this usually holds things together, but if nothing else, it will get in your way. Whoop. That's it. 2 screws and the whole back is off there. Alright, now this is the part where things start to get ugly on these all-in-ones. You have to figure out where it separates, and usually it separates around the seams here, here, and so on. Unfortunate, but true. We're going to try to pry it here. That doesn't want to come apart. What if we try it up here? It does not want to come apart at all. It appears to separate here. All right. So, your separation point appears to be the bottom here. Yeah, there are a lot of little plastic clips. So, one of the tricks with prying these plastic clips apart is you get your spudger in, and instead of prying like this to try and pry it up by crowbarring it, push it the opposite direction once you start getting things going, especially because it tends to push the clips away from where they mount. All right. This is on much tighter than I would have expected, though. I am not sure. Let's take this USB keyboard thing out, just in case it's in the way. Let's see. Yep. There are clips everywhere. Everywhere. And it's not simple. What is holding this? There's no way that there's a screw holding it. It's just a big clip. Looks like it's just a big clip. A really big clip. Ah, that's exactly what it was. There was a clip right there. You have to, on this model, it appears you have to put a spudger through at specific locations to disengage the clips. And they start cascading after a while once you get enough of them off. But until you get enough of them off, it doesn't go anywhere. So, from what I can tell, well, there you go. This is the back. It went on like this. You have clips here, 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 and here. No, that's not a clip. No, that's not a clip. You have a lot of clips right here that were on the bottom. Tons of clips around the top. The clips around the top and down the sides are much shorter than the clips on the bottom. Now, because there's a CD drive here, it looks like the best way to go bottom and left and then pull up, and the others will come loose. I'm going to put that on the floor. And now, everything is laid bare. You can see that fan may need to be blown out, but the culprit on this one, I believe, is this RAM. I need to reseat this RAM and test it out. And if that needing reseating is the only problem, then we've just fixed this computer. If it is not, I may have to reflow the CPU, since that's the only chip with a ball grid array. And this computer has an integrated GPU. That's about it, though. It's not that hard to get into them, even if you've not gotten into one before. Just remember, take out the obvious screws, like the ones holding the stand, and then spudger to get the plastic clips out. Hard drive, CD drive, you can easily see what screws are holding caddies, motherboards. This is actually quite easily serviced, with the exception of the screen, which would require a few screws around the edges. Although it looks like you can take the screen out of the front without having to remove most of these things. So there you go. Well, reassembly is the reverse. Have a good night.